we're recording. Daddy and I are going to the beach, no, the North Shore, to go and look at surf. Daddy's got his surfboard, so I doubt he won't be going for a bit of a surf, but I've got the camera gear with the big lenses and stuff like that if I need to get some surf shots, and I might do a bit of a time lapse. I was surprised when Payphone came on the radio.
Got my supplies on lit.
I've been left whilst Daddy goes and surfed for a bit, he said. I won't be long, but I've got my little setup here with my sugar tap and my phone already. Daddy is right. He's getting a bit battered. He's trying to get out. But he's there. That's him. Ah. Wait. Oh, I can't see him anymore. That's worrying. Anyway, I'll show you some photos. I'm trying to take some photos at the moment of him.
Pretty awesome surf on the North Shore of Fuerteventura today. There. Woohoo! This right hander here is packed out. I was surfing along here on the left, but it was hard work getting out. I haven't been surfing for a while, so look at that, what a day. In parts this road's slightly sketchy, in other parts it's really sketchy. Sandy feet. Bread. Yeah, look at that one. Rustic loaf. That one. Scrambled eggs and rustic bread. Yum. Just seen a fishing boat coming from down there, so we're just going to go and have a look. That's the port down there. That's the fishing port down there. That's the fish.
Again. Woohoo! We love it.
Right. Bit windy, don't know if you can hear me. So we're going to be good citizens and go between the flags. We're not going to be good citizens. Oscar is probably going to slip. Don't slip and hurt yourself because we've only just arrived.
On this day of sunny, glorious.
Right, Tabitha's swallowed a poetic novel. Right, let's get down there, guys. We've got this happening at the moment. We seem to have tired children. Tired child 1, tired child 2. You're going to go in for a swim, guys?
Yeah.
Soon. Lying prone on the towel. Go on, guys, go in the sea.
Are you on?
No, I'm going to read my book. Yeah. The guys just got wiped out by a big cloud. Not cloud, what am I on about? By waves. They've made a lovely sandcastle that just came up and wiped it out. You make a good little dog, darling. Look at you go. I think you might be fighting a losing battle though. The surf is quite big. Reminds us of our home beach back in the Coromandel actually today.
Get away! Get away!
I think unless you're King Canute, darling, you're not going to be able to control the oceans. Again, I'll say, water and children, you just don't need any entertainment. Whatever age they are, they'll stay in there for hours. So I've managed to write something for a blog, I've managed to read some books, and they're still happy. And I thought, oh, I better be a good mother and go and find them because I hadn't seen them for a while. But they're fine, they stayed out of the water like I said. Andrew's out there somewhere. Is he going to wave? Yes, he's waving. It's more important to wait for the right set coming through. So these two are pretending to moonwalk at the moment. And there's the beach that we're walking back from. Beautiful. Apparently the surf got a bit messy, so Andrew's gone off to surf at the north end of the island with some friends. And Oscar's tired. That's the only thing. The outdoors and the sun wipes you out, doesn't it, darling? So you've got to keep them moving, otherwise they'll fall asleep.
What animals?
You are. It's like having a couple of puppies, really, that you have to feed and water.
Do not take advice from Mummy about how to look after.
And just like puppies, children are for life, not just for Christmas. Let's go. Walking across the landscape here. It is not that picturesque, a bit barren, but it's lovely and hot. Come on then, let's get back and get cleaned up, because we can't go out to the restaurant looking like this.
Mummy, look at our flag.
Yeah.
We've just got back and we've had to run straight from the front door all the way to the balcony. And Mummy has got this bucket here. Yeah. It's full with water. So we have rushed out. We dipped our feet in and I'm just waiting to the showers. It's funny because Oscar dips his gun in, Mummy's dips her feet in, and he's going, and I'm lost. Anyway, it's so hot. Sorry, I keep on moving. I'm not purposely, but my feet are actually burning. I'm not kidding. Like, if I stay in a dry spot, really hurts. It's really nice today. It's all blue sky. We're going to Vaca Azul. Vaca Azul.